Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, your host with the most, BVF Collection here, Bad Vibes Forever Collection here, bringing you a nice little unboxing video. Look at this box. It is literally, quite literally, a box. You know what I'm saying? So, in this box, we got ourselves the Until the Light Takes Us hoodie, collaboration with XXX Tentacion and Revenge, in a size medium. With all that said and done, let's take out the trusty dusty coin claw and get into the unboxing. First, we gotta slit this side of the box. It has been done. Next, we gotta slit this side of the box. Hold up. There we go. It has been done. Last but not least, the middle slice. Hold up. There we go. And I ripped the hoodie, and it's over. GG's. All right, bye, guys. Never mind. Just kidding. Haha, funny. Anyways, coin claws out of here. Here we go. Boom. Boom. First, right off rip, we got a little bit of damage going on here. Not damage, but like stain vibes. Looks like stains. Interesting. Let's go and take it out. There's the back print. Let's go and check out the front first. Okay. Boom. Box out of the way. So I'm looking at a lot of little mini stains, little things going on here. But boom, there's the front graphic, guys. Feels nice in person. It's kind of hard to tell what's going on here. This guy's looking down like with a magnifying glass at this guy right here, or girl, who knows. This is supposed to be like this. It's not like a perfect square. It's supposed to be like this. Let's check out the tag. We got a medium. Oh, the inside's still soft. Love to hear it. Love to see it. Hood looks like it's been stretched, so that's nice. You got a nice big hood. Let's go and check out the sleeve text. Wait, hold on. I gotta make sure it's all like even Steven. You know what I'm saying? Like, so you can see it all. So unlike the good old-fashioned Revenges in the Creator's Hands, it's on every piece. It's a little different. You got Until the Light Takes Us. And surprisingly, it's in pretty good condition. Like, there's crack in there. But other than that, it's pretty primo. Just got to clean all these like little things going on here. A lot of little scuffs. Let's go ahead and check out the inside real quick. See if there's a tag. So the independent tag was ripped off on this bad boy. And again, soft. Love to see it. Love to see it. All right, last but not least, the Revenge logo on the back. Ooh, it looks clean too. Look at that. Very minimum cracking. I like it. A little bit right there, a little bit right there. And the biggest crack is right there. But overall, puffy. I like it. Very nice. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. The Until the Light Takes Us hoodie. You already know. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you enjoy this video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Slater. Peace.